Good morning, everybody. So today, I can't even believe it. Tony and I have the keys to a Porsche Taycan. Hit that subscribe button because you'll get to see us drive really cool stuff like this every day.
Do it.
So starting the Taycan, it's on right now. You hit the brake, look at that beautiful screen. And then there's a knob here on the right, which is funny because Porsche, usually you turn the key on the left, but there's the power button right there. So you turn it on and then you'll go ahead and we'll just put her into drive, which is all the way down, and you are good to go. Oh my God, we are in a 2021 Porsche Taycan. Look at this curved display. I love the floating buttons in the wheel. The interior feels premium. I mean, look at that floating glass display. The air vents are beautiful. The screen is glorious. I was a little tricked though, because I thought the screen came up to here, but it makes sense about the ratio. I love this almost like glass edgeless display. So you can definitely feel the second gear kick in. I know that's something that has been talked about as comparison to a Tesla. It's weird, but I strangely, I really like it. And obviously the glass roof is phenomenal. Visibility is a little scarce back there. But that's okay. I mean, when you're in a Taycan, do you really care? Okay, guys, we're gonna do a quick launch. 3, 2, 1.
You know, Tesla, there's always that very well-known issue of Tesla's build quality, but I think the interiors aren't so bad. But then when it's sitting, this thing is, it really reminds you just how damn good Porsche is at making an interior. It just feels solid. It sounds solid. It's the way it hugs around you, and like if you hit bumps, you don't hear any creaking or rattling or anything, and it's all like almost like a low frequency noise. It just sounds so solid.
The entire car feels extremely extremely solid. It feels beautifully built. The materials feel fantastic. The digital display is as clear as crystal. I mean, like crystal clear, right?
Crystal clear. Yeah.
Crystal clear. It's just fantastic. This car actually weighs what, 5,100 pounds. And then what's the range on this thing? What's it got for juice?
It's been shown that Porsche is only rated for 200 miles, but it's been proven that Porsche has actually kind of been quite conservative with their range on this thing. It's been shown that many people have been able to get above 200. So,
which is awesome.
Yeah. So it's rated at 200 miles per for range, but over that is easy.
And what's the price point on this thing? What is it, like 160K, I think, to start?
Yeah, about 150 grand starting.
Hey man, worth every penny. I love the blue ambient lighting in here. It is, close the door.
Typically an area a lot of OEMs lack is their screen technology. And as usually Tesla has everyone beat with their screen display, the responsiveness, the refresh rate, the resolution, but this car is really damn good. It's really well designed. It's not gimmicky. It's very straightforward, and the animations are incredibly smooth. They did a great job. Yeah.
If you guys have any questions or want to see any other cars or have questions about this car, comment in the section below. We love chatting with you guys. So, my God, here's a little acceleration for you again. The brakes work. Whoa! Oh, that's fun.